Irish Washerwoman. I hope you're really excited about this. Number 79. Okay, so we've been using that the eighth note as the beat now. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this, since this is the beat, if we double it, if we put the extra the line on top to make it a 16th note, is going to be like an eighth note. So it's instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it would be a 6 and. So that's what they're doing at the beginning. They stole the beat from the end and they're sticking it at the front. So it'd be 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I was so happy to play this piece when I first got it as a kid because it was on so many commercials. And my birthday's right around St. Patty's Day, so it was always good memories for me. So let's pluck through. We have 2 repeats in this. The second line to the first line, and then the fourth line back to the front of the third line. We're in G major and we are in that 6/8. So let's pluck through, but with no repeats. I'm setting my fingers up on the A string, open 1, 2, 3, and that low 2 is already down because it's gonna go by fast. 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and B, G, G, D, G, G, B, G, B, D, C, B. All right, before we go any further than that, let's study this nice and easily. We're going to leave that first finger down on the A string because there's no reason to lift it up. And then I'm going to leave it down right there, that G, B, G, B, bum, bum, dum, bum, 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 bum. And I'm just going to lift and set on that A string. So as little movement as possible to get this fast. I would worry about doing all 3 to come down, and there's no point. Leave that first finger down and reach for that third. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and B, G, G, D, G, G, B, G, B, D, C, B, C, A, C, A, C, 4, D, C, B, G, G, A, D, G, G, B, G, B, D, C, B, C, B, C, A, D, C, B, G, 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 A, B, G, G, D, G, G, B, G, B, B, A, G, A, F, F, D, F, F, A, F, A, G, F, E, G, G, D, G, G, 2, G, B, G, G, C, B, C, A, D, C, B, G, G, G. Okay, so right there, that last line, E, G, G, D, G, G. So for that section, I'm doing open 2, 2, leave that 2 down, 3, 2, 2. And when I play that C, G, G, I'm putting my second finger on both of them so that I can play both of them. 2, 2, 2. And that 1 comes right behind, and I slide off of that second finger on the A string. So just watch what your fingers are doing. 2, 2. Slide off. All right, so let's do it with that bow and with both repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and. Beginning. Okay, so that was with the eighth note getting the beat. And so as you get more comfortable with the piece, use the metronome to help you speed up. Keep it with that 6 beats for a while so that you can feel the subdivision of those quarter notes and to help you get back into those 16th notes. 1, 2, 3, da, ba, 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 so that it'll help you to subdivide and then slowly speed it up. So you're going to get up to like 140 beats per minute or even faster before you switch it back to the duple, because this is the complex duple. Ba da ba da 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 da. But we want to have this nice and even. All right, so have fun with that metronome.